Hi, this is Mrs. Janeski here, and today's video is going over how to solve the problems on the Chapter 7 assessment. And I'm going to go over problem 1 with you so that way you understand how to solve the problem. So it says, Coach Mitchell drew a graph of 4 athletes in the final part of the 400-meter run at the last track meet. She found slope of each runner's line in distance per second. His results are listed here. So we have Cadence, Thelma, Darren, and Jace. In order for us to be able to compare these slopes, we really want to find a common denominator. So we're working with 4 different fractions here with a denominator of 2, 12, and 24. So our least common denominator is going to be 24. So I'm going to use my strategy of using my giant 1 to help me create equivalent fractions or equivalent slopes to the ones I already have. So I'm going to multiply this by 12 over 12, and I get 12 over 24. Thelma, I'm going to multiply this by 2 over 2, and I get 10 over 24. Darren, we can leave the same. And Jace, just like Thelma, I'm going to multiply it by 2 over 2 to get that common denominator of 24, and I get 14 over 24. So now the question asks, list the runners from fastest to slowest. So the fastest person has the larger slope. So if we take a look at our values here, it looks like Jace has the larger slope. So he is the fastest. Then going down from there, it would be Cadence. And next would be Darren. And last, Thelma. Now that I showed you how to do the actual assessment question, you're going to have an opportunity to do the reassessment question. So here is the reassessment question. Coach Stolte drew a graph of 4 athletes in the final part of the 1,600-meter run at the last track meet. She found the slope of each runner's lines in distance per second. Her results are listed below. You need to list the runners from fastest to slowest. Once you are done calculating that, and you might want to pause this video, you're going to enter your answers below in the Google form.